Hello my dear students, ninth class mathematics exercise 1.5. In that main question number 2, simplify each of the following expressions. So here Roman 4 questions are given, so let's simplify one by one. So solution for this Roman 1. So given question is that 3 plus square root of 3 bracket, next into the bracket 2 plus square root of 2. Here both binomial terms, but the terms are different. So here first term is 3 and here 2. So here root 3, here root 2. So it means there is no any applications of identity, algebraic identity. So now for this we have to make distributive property. The first term, that is a 3, the first number into total multiplication, and second number or term into total multiplication. So this is the distributive property. Here the first here 3 into total bracket, that is 2 root 2, first complete, and next here plus root 3 into total bracket, that is 2 root 2. Okay, point clear? The first term into total multiplication, that is the total bracket multiplication, and the second term into total multiplication. So this is the distributive property. Here now once again applying distributive property. So 3 into 2, that is 6. So here plus into plus, it becomes plus. So 3 having plus sign, and here inside the bracket also there is a plus. So plus into plus, plus. So 3 into square root of 2. 3 into square root of 2. Next once again here plus into plus, plus. Next 2 root 3. So plus into plus, plus root 3 into root 2. Root 3 into root 2. Now that is equal to 6 plus 3 root 2 as it is, plus 2 root 3 as it is, and here it becomes root of 6. So 3 2s are 6, because here we are applying the common root. So common root here 3 into 2, so that is equal to root 6. Okay, so this is the simplification for the first question. So 3 plus root 3 into the bracket, next 2 root 2. So this is the answer for Roman 1. Clear? So next sub question, that is the Roman 2. So Roman 2 is that 3 plus root 3, 3 minus root 3. Just check it out. First bracket having 3 first term, and here also 3 first. Next root 3 in first bracket, then root 3 in second bracket also present. So first bracket having plus sign and the second bracket having the minus sign. So this can be looks like a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so directly I will write here. So this is of the form, this is of the form a plus b into a minus b. It's okay, a plus b into a minus b, because in place of a 3 is present, then this bracket also 3 is present. So first bracket having plus sign, the second bracket having minus sign, and in place of b value is root 3. So here a is equal to 3 and b is equal to root 3. Okay, therefore we know that, what we know, the identity, that is a plus b into a minus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. So in place of a 3, in place of b root 3, next one once again in place of a 3 minus in place of b root 3. So a means 3 whole square as it is, next b means square root of 3 next whole square as it is. So next equal to 3 square, it means 9 minus, so here square root of 3 whole square, so square and square root get cancelled, it becomes 3, so that is equal to value is 6. Okay, so last we have to write both LHS and RHS. So 3 plus root 3 into 3 minus root 3, the value, the answer becomes 6. So this is the simplification or solution for the Roman 2. So here one important point is that root 3 whole square, the answer is 3. How it comes? So it means 3 as it is, the root symbol means exponential half. Okay, square root means it is the exponential half and square as it is. So here 3, already we know the law of exponents, a raised to m whole raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n. So m into n, so m into n here 1 by 2 into 2, so 2 to get cancelled, 3 raised to 1, so we have to write simply as a 3. Okay, root 3 whole square, so it becomes 3, that's why we write here as a 3. Okay, this is the basic simplification form, you have to remember it all, so it needs for you to crack SSLC result. Okay, be careful about the simplification part, don't forget the simple steps. Next, Roman 3. So what it is? Into the bracket root 5 plus root 2 whole square. Okay, this also looks like a plus b bracket square, a plus b bracket square. So this is in the form of a plus b bracket square. So here a means root 5 and b means root 2. So now apply the identity. We know that, what we know, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so a means root 5 plus b means root 2 whole square. So make it like this, so it becomes so easy for you to simplify. So apply What is the value of a? That is root 5. What is the value of a? Once again root 5. What is the value of b? That is the root 2. Next, what is the value of b? Once again root 2. Now here the square is part. So square root of 5 whole square, it becomes 5 because square get cancelled. Next 2, here multiplication, so it becomes 5 2 is 10. Okay, next plus root 2 whole square, so it becomes 2. Okay, next while simplification, it becomes 5 plus 2, that is 7, plus 2 root 10. Okay, so this is the simplification. We cannot do the further here. Okay, so this is the solution for Roman 3. And now come Roman 4 here. I will write next to it root 5 minus root 2 into root 5 plus root 2. So check it out. Here the first number is root 5 and here also first number root 5. Next second number root 2, second number root 2. So now we clarify that this is the a plus b into a minus b. So looks like this. Okay, but here the first bracket given as a minus and the second bracket given as a plus, but both are same. In multiplication form we can write in the interchange form. Okay, don't confuse there. So my point is that a minus b into a plus b, or into the bracket a plus b into a minus b, both are same. Okay, both are same here. So why both are same? 2 into 3 is equal to 6, or 3 into 2 is equal to also 6. So this can be interchange. Okay, we have to write in the form of interchange. So question is given interchange form here, so don't confuse there. Okay, so how to simplify? Apply the identity. So this is of the form. So this is of the form. Write it a minus b into a plus b. Here a is equal to root 5 and b is equal to root 2. So therefore we know that, what we know, a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. So apply here root 5 minus root 2, once again root 5 plus root 2 is equal to, what is the meaning of a and what is the meaning of b? So meaning of a is root 5 and the meaning of b is root 2. That's why square get cancelled. It's a 5 minus 2, that is equal to 3. So this is the solution for Roman 4. Okay, I think you got the point, all the points here. So thank you.